Welcome guys back to my channel, and on today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make money using HubSpot, and I'll be telling you why you should be blogging with HubSpot as opposed to your normal website. I'll be sharing with you the pros and the cons as well. I'll be sincere in this video, so please stick with me till the end and enjoy this video. I'm sorry guys, it's Hubpages and not HubSpot. But aside that, guys, I have really for the longest time wanted to be a blogger. I learned web designing and I decided to build the blog myself, and literally it was only going to cost me a little bit lesser than the amount I would have spent in hiring a web designer to create the website for me. Circumstances led into the other, and I gave up on my dream of ever blogging. I was really passionate about writing in my years of being 17, and I could literally write all day without getting frustrated or without getting exhausted of ideas to write about. I didn't even think that there was a way to monetize my writing. I just had the passion to write. But then when I came to realize that blogging was really a lucrative way of making money online, I tried to build website as I said earlier, but it wasn't possible. I let go of it because I thought about it. Growing a YouTube channel is just as hard. Now compare it with growing a blog. Now growing a blog and a YouTube channel. I decided that I couldn't go to that stress, and I decided to just forfeit one, which was the blog, because literally I had to pay for my domain name, I had to pay for the hosting, and I said it wasn't worth it at this point in time. I had to grow my YouTube channel first and then move on to making blog posts. But then I came across Hubpages. All my mind was following the strategies I placed on this channel, which was to make money online through those three ways. The video, I'll link it down in the description. It was basically on Fiverr, sending articles to organization and also waiting for newsletters of articles. So I was following the strategy of sending articles to organization, and I came across an article that told me about Hubpages. Now, what is Hubpages? Hubpages is a website that allows you to make blog posts in their platform. They're like a host of your blog posts, and literally if your blog is to be suggested on Google search results, it will come out on their platform. So meaning they are just a host to your website, they are a host to your blog. And the most amazing part of it was that you do not have to pay anything. You do not have to pay any fees for your domain name or all of that. It was free. But guys, I knew it at the moment that they said this was free. It was too good to be true. Good to be true in the sense that there was something that had to compensate for the freedom to be able to blog on Hubpages. And yes, I was right. Their content strategy is really high standard, and for you to pass being able to publish your post on their platform, your post has to be high quality in terms of photos, recommendations, your text, your context, and all of that. But then I was ready to take up the challenge. The reason why I do not really like the idea of creating my own website was really because the stress of having to look up for SEO keywords and all of that, maintaining the website speed of your site, Jesus, that was really frustrating and scary for me to even take up. But with Hubpages, they have inbuilt SEO, and basically they recommend to use special keywords that could get recommended by Google or suggested in Google search results, and basically you just have to choose it and it pops out. And the traffic potential on this website is very, very high, because basically on the first day of posting my articles, 2 people got my articles, commented on it, read it, and followed me. Guys, it's so magical. You do realize that with a normal website this could never have been possible, because literally can anyone get 2 comments in your first day of posting on the mighty almighty Google platform? That's wrong. That's a lie. You have to take ages of buying tools, ages of subscribing to SEO tools before you can get to this potential. What's more is that Hubpages literally of course, split your AdSense revenue. Yes, you can make money online using AdSense, and they split it with you 60-40. You get 60%, they keep 40%, and to me that's still a high bargain. You can also be able to promote your affiliate links, of course, in moderation, because this is contrary to you having your own website. Since you're under their moderation, you basically have to follow their standards, and I believe that there's a limit to the affiliate link you can make on your post. I personally do not have so much affiliate link to promote, and I only promote according to the context of my blog topic. And so it's been really easy for me to stick with this rule. And guys, it's not all roses and it's not all fun, it's not all magical. There's still a dark side to posting or blogging on Hubpages, which I'll be sharing with you now. First of all, is that for you to meet their standard to be able to be published on their platform is really hard. And if you're personally the one writing all your articles, if you're the one writing your articles by yourself, it's going to be really hard for you to meet all of the standards, no grammatical errors, because guys, it's not about making mistakes, but the irritability of reading what you've written, especially if it's 1,250 words over and over again, searching for mistakes, is really high, because I personally don't like it. It's boring. I wrote the article, why do I have to reread it? And basically that's why proofreaders are there. And what if you do not want to invest in proofreaders? Yes, I've got you covered also, because there's basically a website that allows you to edit for free on their site, and it's called Slick Write. Basically, you upload your article on their platform and they help you search for grammatical errors and you correct it. Or another way you can do this is basically go to your computer, click on Microsoft Word and post your articles on there. And basically, when you have a grammatical error, the red line appears on it and you just have to edit it. Another thing is that for you to post your videos, to post your articles, it must have videos, it must have pictures, it must have text with from 700 to 1,250 words. And basically, this is really easy and another way of promoting your YouTube videos. If you have YouTube videos in relation to your articles, you are demanded, or you are asked to place it on the website, because people really like video content. And for you to be able to post video content, your own videos, it's really a free traffic source. You are really promoting your YouTube channel without you even having to try. I posted my videos on that platform, and I really think it's a huge potential for anyone who wants to try this out. So I've mentioned two benefits. I mentioned it has inbuilt SEO. I mentioned you are able to link your YouTube video by force and by default. You just have to copy the link of your YouTube video and paste it on the platform, and literally the video appears. And also, it's really amazing for you, and it's really ethical for you to search for the best video content on YouTube in relation to your content. It doesn't really always have to be your own video. If you can recommend a video that is in relation to what you're talking about, then it's perfectly okay. I mean, it's being generous. You're sharing your traffic with someone that doesn't even know, but you're having your content readers' interest at the best of your heart, if there's something like that. But guys, I really think there's so much potential in Hubpages, and if you're not trying it, I understand, because it's really hard to keep coming up with content every day. I personally break down sometimes, but I think it's really worth the try. And also looking out for a smarter way to make your content, maybe getting a friend that loves writing, getting a couple of friends that can brainstorm you for content topics is really amazing. And the quick bonus is that you can also go to plrcontentprojects.com and you get to see free articles, but your articles will not be accepted on Hubpages if it appears the same way, because I think people are already aware of this scheme or this tactic, and people have already gone to copy this article project, this scheme or this method I'm mentioning to you now. But all you need to do is fear not. You can always upload this article onto a website called Spinbot, and basically what it does is that it spins the whole word, and it formats it into a new article. And basically you didn't even make any article, it's not the same. By the blink of your eyes, you already have a brand new article. Guys, that is amazing. I it's magical. I personally don't use this because it's stressful for me. I prefer to come up with my own content from my head, fresh from the oven. But this is for you if you feel stressed out making articles every day. I get my content ideas or my blog post ideas from my YouTube videos. I literally rebrand my YouTube videos into a blog post, or basically website ideas. I review websites and make it into a huge blog post for my viewers to read. So guys, I want you to really realize that the main context is not to make money online. It is to offer value, because once you offer value, money will follow suit. Guys, you understand what I'm saying? So if you're ready to start making money using Hubpages, please hop on the train. Let's get going, because I'm really happy. This website is really amazing. It's really making me pumped up as usual. You guys, you know that every single time I figure out a new website, I always feel pumped up, because I feel like there's a huge potential for me to make more money online. You know, I'm crazy about making money online, and I only post legit ways to make money online on this platform. No scam. You can check my whole videos out. I do not post scams. I only post realistic ways to help you make money online, methods that I've tried. And that is why I compiled a list of 100 plus websites, legit and free, for you to make money online as a beginner, because literally I can feel that building an income source online takes time. For you to make the quick couple of bucks, for you to start investing in your business, building it over time, you need to make it with a quick websites like Swagbox, websites like current.us, Honeygain, and all of that are quick websites to make money online. Yes, they cannot last you for a long period of time, but still they earn you the few couple of bucks for your upkeep for a while you're building your great empire of income source. So basically, I'll leave the link down in the description. You just have to click on it, sign up, and get the freebie. Remember, 100 plus website. And please stick around for my ebook. It was supposed to be free, but then I noticed that the content was way too valuable. But now there is a twist in the story. I'll be making it free for my followers, my subscribers, my followers on Facebook, and my subscribers here. But I'll be uploading it on Amazon Kindle and other digital product websites and selling it there. So basically, this is a benefit for all my subscribers and my followers to gain from this free mighty ebook with free courses, recommendation, ways to make money online. Guys, I can assure you that this is valuable. You can feel it from the way I'm talking. I'm popped up. I really get pumped up when I'm sure of what I'm talking about. So guys, please follow me here on this channel, subscribe to my channel, because I'm really happy that we're growing together, we're making money together, and bye-bye.